In this video, we're replacing the headlight switch on a Smart Fortwo 450. A pretty common issue as these switches tend to fail over time. Let's jump straight into it. First, remove the 4 Torx screws from the steering column cover. Once the screws are out, the plastic cover comes off easily. Next, pull out the cluster. No screws here, just pull it carefully forward. And here's the headlight switch, held in place with one clip and a connector. Unclip it, unplug the connector, pop in the new switch, and lock it back in place. Then, reinstall the cluster, put the plastic cover back on, and tighten the 4 Torx screws. And that's it. Quick, easy, and no smart. You're not going to win this time. Video helped. Hit like and subscribe for more simple DIYs. Thanks for watching.